than Mrs. Claus. So first, let's done.
Look at Mom. Hey, look at Mom.
Uh-oh. Who's this one from?
That's it.
Who's this